We're going to read a story by Willems, who's one of my favorite authors. And the title of the story is Today I Will Fly. Piggy's going to fly? I don't know how Piggy's going to fly. Today I will fly. No, you will not fly today. You will not fly tomorrow. You will not fly next week. Oh, Ellie doesn't believe in Piggy. You will never fly. Piggy doesn't look happy. I will try. Goodbye. You will not fly. She will not fly. Fly, 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 fly. Fly, 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 fly. She's trying. Fly, 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 fly. You need help. Thank you. I do need help. I'll get help. I wonder who Piggy's gonna get help from. Woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. I did it! I flew! Thank you for your help. You did not fly. I did not fly. You jumped! I jumped. It was a big jump. Yes, it was a big jump, but you did not fly. I will try again. She's determined, not giving up. I will eat lunch. Goodbye. Fly, 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 fly. You need help. I do need help. Will you help me? I will. I will help you. The bird is going to help. Thank you. Hello? Hello? You were flying. You were flying today. My friend can fly. She can fly. I am not flying. You are not flying? I'm getting help. Thank you so much for your help. Tomorrow I will fly. Good luck. The end. So, I learned something from this story. I learned that if you don't give up, you can probably do anything that you put your mind to. And with a little bit of help. Now, Piggy didn't give up, but she got a lot of help from the bird, right? And she stayed positive. It wasn't easy for her, but she stayed positive, and her friend helped her out. Now, the elephant tomorrow, he probably will have a hard time finding help because elephants are really, really heavy. So what I want you to do is write about the story, the parts that you like, and what do you think is going to happen next?